Hey everyone, welcome to the Comparison Tools for Oracle course. My name is Arne Skandari and I'm part of the sales engineering team here at Redgate Software. In this course we're going to take a look at how we can utilize our schema compare and data compare tools for Oracle to standardize and streamline our deployment process when promoting changes from our dev environment to our higher environments, including production. In our previous courses, we looked at how we can optimize and standardize our development process by utilizing source control strategies and using our source control for Oracle for keeping track of our changes that we make in development environment. So next we'd like to look at how we can utilize the compare engine and the compare tools to promote our changes from our dev environment to up the chain. A lot of you might be used to creating your own handcrafted scripts when promoting changes to your higher environments, which is very time consuming and could be error prone. So hopefully by the end of this course, you'll get a pretty good idea of how you can utilize our compare tools in order to standardize the generation of your deployment scripts and spend less time creating them on your own.